The Side Window Studio Hut is the latest free plan download that you can get on my website at Clever Moderns. So if you go to clevermoderns.com/plans, and that's where all my free plans are, and you can find the Side Window Studio Hut there, and you can grab the free download. At the Quampound, which is our 10-acre multi-Quonset hut experiment in northern Arizona, when we wanted to get up and running with just a simple little building before we got to the more elaborate projects, and we just needed something to make our headquarters there for the property, this was the design that we came up with. It's a 25-foot wide Quonset, and then we have the 3 windows on each side of the building. And I've done some other videos, if you look back through my channel, of the side windows, and there's some really detailed blog posts about how these things go together and so forth. Basically, the way this works is the outer box, it's a little bit lighter gray in color here, is part of the building kit. That comes from Steelmaster, or whoever you buy it, but we used Steelmaster. And that's manufactured by them to fit to the arches and everything. And then within that, we added some wood bucking, just some 2x4s to attach the window to. And the window itself is a sliding aluminum window from Home Depot. And we like the look of it. You know, it's a nice proportion. So it's 14 arches for 28 feet. I like to set the end walls back a little bit from the edge. You get a little bit better protection from the elements and things that way. So on both ends, we set our end wall back. And so it's 28 feet long, but you lose about a foot on each end because of the end wall being set in. So all in the end, the footprint is about 700 square feet. The interior space ends up about 600 square feet. So it's a nice little, 600 square feet, for a studio apartment type space. It's a nice amount of space. So to just look inside, ours is just very basic, and this, my interior of the model is not like perfect here. It's not modeled in great detail and stuff. And on the free plans download, I popped a window and door in the end wall in the back. That's optional. It's however the end walls are flexible with these. You can do whatever you want, more or less. And so we just have a little half bath, but a bed, sleeping area in the back, a little living area up in the front. If this is your bathroom on the side, then you could put a kitchen sink on this side pretty easily. Have a little kitchenette in this corner, and and then it makes a nice layout for a little studio. So we called it the Side Window Studio Hut.